I wish I could look at you and say, relax, take your time, it'll be fine. I can't say that honestly. Not because I want to scare you, but because the cost of not understanding money, for your generation specifically, is higher than it's ever been. Your parents' generation had a safety net built for them, a pension, social security you could actually plan around. That system was designed to do the saving for you. Yours wasn't. You're the one funding your own retirement now through a 401k, an IRA, a brokerage account, and nobody's managing it but you. Skip this, and it's not abstract. It's the difference between retiring on your terms and still working at 65 because you have to, not because you want to. Here's how widespread this already is. 37% of Americans, more than 1 in 3, couldn't cover a surprise $400 expense with cash today. A car repair, a medical bill. That's not a far-off retirement problem, that's this month. And if you do delivery gigs, rideshare, or any kind of independent contractor work, this hits you first, not last. You're classified as an independent contractor. That's not an accident of a bad employer. It's the entire structure. No sick pay, no paid vacation, no pension contribution, no employer health insurance. None of it exists unless you build it yourself, on top of pay that often barely covers the basics. None of this means you're behind or that it's too late. It means the old advice, don't worry, it'll sort itself out, doesn't apply anymore. You have to actually learn how this works. That's the whole reason Cashwise exists, to close that gap before it costs you more than money.